Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by having a website you can get more customers, of course, outrun your competition and have a strong online presence and why is that so important. But first things first, I couldn't find your profile on anything it's about Onlineable, but um, for the purpose of the video, I'm going to be showing you if you were to go and make the decision of having a website. What do you need so you can outrun your competition, of course? So first things first, if I do a search for HVAC New Jersey, the first thing you're gonna see is this is sponsored by Google. You pay to be there, of course. Then we have your traditional Google Ads, and this is kind of the same thing, but you pay every time that somebody clicks on it. This is if this is not done properly, can end up wasting a lot of money because it's not guaranteed that whoever clicks on it is going to be turned into a potential customer. Then we have the map section, and this is where it comes when you have your profile on your Google My Business. It needs to be optimized. It needs to have content, pictures, everything, so it can be found here as well. So regardless of your physical location, you can cover the whole state. You can cover specific areas, and that's done by doing a research on what are the areas that you want to target and um, how much of a volume of a search for your services actually are in those areas. Moving forward, we have the organic results. Position number one. This is Edison HVAC. They're pretty big. Then you have directory, your Yelp, another company that's ranking on two positions. Um, and for your reference, 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass this top three and this top three over here. So you could be missing a lot of potential customers, and I'm going to be showing you why. So for the purpose of the video, again, I'm going to be pulling out this website from Edison is back, and you can see that they have a lot of content. So if you will have a website, regardless if we end up working together or not, you need to add more content than they do. Besides images, wording is very important because it has to be original. It has to include the keywords that you want to be found for. So you can start ranking on those Google searches. And if we look on the back end of their website, you can see that these guys, hold on, they're being found for over 2,000 keywords. That's quite a lot. That's bringing them 678 visits a month to their website. That's quite a nice number, right? And they have over 8,000 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks are other sites that mention your website. This is done by a marketing campaign, and it will give you power so you can be found on Google. Now, not all backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal. So you can have thousands and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keyword that you need to be found for, this can be completely useless. If we look on the keywords that they're being found for example, and this is very important, HVAC New Jersey, the one that we did the Google search, excuse me, there's an average of 100 searches a month. They're ranking number one. And from these 100 searches, 37 are actually going to their website. So 37 people probably they went to the website, which is a lot. Um, this one over here, for example, Furnace Repair New Jersey, same thing, 250 searches a month. They're ranking number one as well. And 57 from these 250 are going to their website. So you can add up all these numbers and you can see that there's a lot of searches, a lot of opportunities that you can be taking advantage of if you would have a website. So I don't want to take too much of your time. If you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out, we're more than happy to assist you. Also, if you have any questions, anything that comes out of from this video that you might need a little more of an explanation, feel free to reach out. Our contact information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.